What it says, okay?
Bryn will what? Be
Yep.
a big sister this summer. Are you sure of that?
Yeah.
Why?
I have a baby in my tummy.
Right now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay, Franny!
How do you know that?
Because I went to the doctor and they did a test and they told me, yes, it's true.
Yippee! I'll be a sister, I'll be a sister. I knew you would have a baby.
You knew it.
You still had time.
Yeah. My time hasn't run out, hopefully.
A little dot.
The biological clock is ticking.
Yeah, I guess so.
There's sight words in here.
Yeah, you read it really well.
A big this, lots of them.
Yeah, I thought that.
But Bryn is a name.
Yeah, you know that name.
Bryn will be a big sister this year, this summer.
In August.
In August?
Yep.